In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter depreciation into QuickBooks. Depreciation is how you spread the cost of a long-term asset, like equipment or a vehicle, over its useful life. In QuickBooks, this is recorded with a simple journal entry, so your expenses and asset balances stay accurate for the period you're closing. Start by opening the journal entry screen. If you're in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, go to the Company menu and choose Make General Journal Entries. Both paths take you to the same place, a blank journal entry ready for details. Set the date for this depreciation entry. Most businesses record depreciation at the end of the month or the end of the year. Match the date to your depreciation schedule so your financials line up with your reporting period. On the first line of the entry, choose the account called Depreciation Expense. This is the expense that will show on your profit and loss. Enter the depreciation amount in the debit column. Use the amount provided by your accountant or from your depreciation schedule. It should reflect the portion of the asset's cost you're expensing for this period. On the second line, choose Accumulated Depreciation for the specific asset. Accumulated depreciation is a contra-asset account that reduces the book value of the asset on your balance sheet. Enter the exact same amount in the credit column. Debits must equal credits, and this pair keeps your books in balance while properly reflecting the expense and the reduction to the asset's carrying value. Add a clear memo so anyone reviewing your books understands the purpose of the entry. A simple note like depreciation for the period works well. You can include the month, quarter, or year to make it even clearer, such as depreciation for December or FY depreciation. If your company uses class or location tracking, assign the appropriate class or location to this entry. This helps you analyze expenses by department, project, or site without changing the accounting impact. If you don't use classes or locations, you can leave these fields blank. Once everything looks correct, the date, the debit to depreciation expense, the credit to accumulated depreciation for the right asset, and the memo, click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded depreciation for the period in QuickBooks accurately and cleanly. If you're ever unsure about the amount or which accumulated depreciation account to select, refer to your depreciation schedule or check with your accounting professional to keep your records consistent.